Predator Helios 300 in-depth overview review. Now when we start to open the laptop, you can feel the crisp sense of satisfaction. The keyboard automatically turns on to its RGB 4-zone, and we can't have the sharing of my password to y'all, so we're just going to keep that hidden for a moment, and boom, we're in. Now as you can see, some peculiar thing I noticed is that there's a little area between the keyboard and the monitor. That's very cool. Now pressing Predator Sense button. Boom, we're in. Temperature, lighting, fans, overclocking, sound registers, all at your fingertips. As we can see, the CPU is actually 170 degrees and the GPU will be about 104 in a second. System overall is 100. Now, just a fair warning, you do not want your system to be over 176 degrees. Mine, when I'm using turbo mode gaming, normally 165, I believe. Here we have lighting profiles. We can change the lighting profiles. Very cool stuff right here. Gotta admit, one of my favorite features of the laptop is the RGB keys. This little brief run through the bragging of the keys. This is my gaming mode. I have it on Wave, which is very cool when I'm in an intense gaming mode or when I'm streaming. Go follow me at TechieBeast on Twitch or TechieBeast, this YouTube channel. I live stream. There you go. Got a very sick color scheme. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick time lapse. Alright, now we have it, folks. One of the most awaited gaming features of a laptop. The ability to control its fans. Here we have auto fan settings, max fan settings, custom fan settings where you can choose how much RPM you want, or you can set them to auto. Here's the back where the fan blades are. Mind you, do not touch while you are in an immersive gaming experience. They are extremely hot. Now as you can see, we're running 5,460 RPM and then 6,000 RPM. Now I'm in custom mode. I can change it as however I want. I could set the CPU to max and the GPU to minimum and vice versa. It's very cool actually when your GPU is actually 170 degrees and your CPU is 140. Just set the GPU higher than your CPU and it cools everything down, my man. You get what I'm saying, Jellybean? This is Cool Boost. This Cool Boost actually allows you to raise the maximum fan speeds during heavy use. So if you're really in an immersive gaming experience, gaming Cash Cup tournament, you can raise it, and the RPM will actually raise by about 200, I believe. Fan areas on the side. Now as you can see, the RPM is lowering itself as I set it to auto. And here we go, folks, the monitoring section. Here you can monitor the CPU, the GPU, the temperature. You can check what time you're in, what temperature your CPU is at. You can check the highs and lows. You can check every single core's megahertz of how much they're running. I actually have an i7 9th generation, very good processor. Now we can check each core, so at 11, 12, I believe, is at 107 degrees. Fantastic feature. You can check the voltage too, frequency, fan speed, everything, dude. Everything you've ever wanted. Predator Sense right here, boys. So you have the GPU, GeForce GTX 1660 Ti is my GPU. You can check the temperature, the loading percentage, the fan speed, the core clock. Man, just like I said, everything is in bananas. Here we can check the system, the RAM usage, RAM frequency, Ethernet, Wi-Fi download, upload speed. Everything is in Predator Sense. Now we have Game Sync, where you can set a particular game and set the choices for lighting profile, fan control, GPU overclocking, Acer True Harmony. You could set everything here so that your PC will automatically do that once you enter the game. For example, if I set my lighting profile to be solid when I open Minecraft, then it'll be solid when I open Minecraft. Here's Killer Control Center. Great thing. It optimizes your Wi-Fi settings and allows you to check the Wi-Fi settings and analyze booster. These are all the apps that Predator Sense comes with. Here's Waves Max Audio, very cool feature. It allows 3D headphones by tracking you with the camera. So when you turn your head, it'll turn the sound. Here we have NVIDIA GeForce Experience, one of the greatest features of GeForce. Here we have all the games. You can optimize the settings, which is spectacular, actually. So I have my 3 games here: Warzone, Fortnite, and Minecraft. You have the details, and you can see what the optimal settings are, and you can optimize it just like that. And it also shows you excellent additional features it has. Fortnite, you can optimize it, optimize everything just like you like it, baby. It also comes with game-ready drivers that will actually improve your game performance, which is spectacular. Now, quick break while I download a new driver. Now, just to show you the true performance of 4K video quality, we're going to just go to Google 4K video, just to show it on the screen. Picture quality is immense, spectacular. Best video quality I've ever seen on any TV, iPhone, laptop, computer, gaming PC. Spectacular. You can see the individual pixels. Amazing. And Costa Rica is a beautiful place, as I've been there myself. Just so good. I'm just going to leave on some music so you can just enjoy how good this quality is. Meanwhile, I'll go over the brief camera tour of the different laptops screen displays.
Everywhere I go, catch me on the block like a Mutombo. 750 Lambo in the Utah snow. Trunk in the front like a shit Dumbo, yeah. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. 100 deep when I roll in the army. Get my bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. She learned from her dad. I don't be tripping on this shawty, I let her do whatever she please. I don't be kissing on this shawty, she don't be kissing on me. She came with you and left me, I went up one that's called it even. Don't let me call, she ain't gonna end up buying her new dreams. Go, know what she wants, she make me take it off if she see me. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you. And I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I have these lucid dreams.
Here we have it, folks. Opening up our first game, test game, Fortnite. Fortnite. This is my username, TechieB, so you can add me if you really want to play with me. But just let me know in a comment on the description. This is just the FPS in the lobby screen without turbo mode even on. Now we're gonna turn turbo mode on and watch the boost of FPS. 310, 320, 345, just spectacular FPS. Now this will be reduced when streaming. Now let's go play a game. We're in a game. You can see excellent FPS, excellent image quality. Excellent, everything that could ever be excellent. Now, I just remind you, I'm not a pro at Fortnite, so do not judge this based on my skill. I just acknowledge the graphics, everything, man. Keyboard, everything. I'll just let you watch me play some Fortnite clips.
To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know.
Are you kidding me?
You're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee. Burning through the hours talking.
Well, folks, that was Fortnite. Now, time to test out Minecraft. The FPS on Minecraft is incredible, by the way, but I know Minecraft is not really dependent on the FPS, it's more dependent on the skill, but I'll just let this show you how good the graphics are, the usage, everything on it. Mind you, I'm much less of a Fortnite player, Minecraft player. I'm absolutely terrible. So I was letting my brother play some, have some fun. You can see he's an absolute beast. One other thing that I did not mention until the very end is the camera quality. Now, this camera quality, I'm recording directly from the laptop, and the sound quality is directly from the laptop, so it's not the best camera quality, but it's kind of decent for a laptop that it's not really focused on the camera quality, it's focused on the game quality. And I have been streaming, so I'm using the camera that comes with it, and I'm video playing, and it's fine, honestly. So, folks, we're done with Minecraft. Now, time to show you guys some of what comes with the laptop. We got some professional video editing software, much too advanced for me. I'm just using iMovie on here. But this video software is absolutely amazing. Looks very good. You can edit shit out of things. And yeah, I just hope you guys love this. This is us filming. But yes, this video editing software is fantastic. It also comes with some photo editing software you'll see in a minute. And here is the photo editing software. Fantastic photo editing software. You can edit like so many things, so many preferences. Although this is not this is the free version, so you would have to pay for the premium version. But this does come with a lot that you could edit on, as I'm sure it is the #1 video editing laptop in the community. Now, this is System Mechanic. This is what I think is probably one of the best things on this laptop. It comes with System Mechanic, which you can use to basically clean up your laptop, speed up your laptop, optimize Wi-Fi settings, optimize everything, keep your laptop good and healthy pretty much. So here's me repairing all the issues it found. Now we can go to speed up. Let's go to speed up, disk defragmenter. We got program accelerator. This is the RAM speed up. And we can just defragment now, and it's space saving about 2 gigs of RAM. Spectacular thing. Now this is Acer Collection S. This just recommends good apps for you to use for your laptop, which is very good, as this is where I found some of the apps that I've been using. Great laptop overall. Fantastic, I must say. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Is it worth the price? Well, it depends. I'll see how far it lasts me in a couple of years. But basically, I think this laptop is absolutely spectacular. I got it to every expectation. Wonderful. The battery life is a bit small. It's okay because it's a gaming laptop.
That was a quick stuff.
Oh, that was nice. Strong core gaming, so you have to keep it plugged in. Something else. Well, this is my dream laptop, guys. So I got it. I'm so happy. I can't wait to use it. So. Yeah, thanks. Leave a like, subscribe, and try not to flood it with dislikes, man. Thanks.
Bro, I'm getting beamed from my back, so I can go fast. I got beamed from my back, bro. Can you just ever have fun on this game? Like, shut up, kid.
Bro, you didn't fucking start talking to me when I was talking to you.
Win this fight and you return to the front line. If you lose, you're done.
Nope.